Okay, good morning, everyone. So today is 13th October 2021. So today is our meeting on as usual, weekly two weeks once meeting in a month. So in a month will be a two meeting. So I think this is the second meeting on this month. Okay, so today topic we will discuss on what do you call it, immediate remedies part 2, few, and also about spirulina, about products. So what we'll do, I will come out with one product, specified one product, then detail on that product. Then after that comes together with the few remedies. Okay, so this is the second remedies. Hopefully you all understand how to use the remedies. If you have any questions on the utilization of these remedies, then please WhatsApp me or contact your immediate superior so they can contact me and update all these things. Okay, so without further delay, let me open the share the screen. Share screen. Now, share. Okay. Okay, let the right set me all. Okay, everybody can see the screen. Okay, can see, yeah?
So 500 பேர் கொண்டு வரதுக்கு நம்ம
whatever. Okay, so there's the DXN immediate remedies product training part 1. Hey, sorry, part 2. I actually have to change the part. Okay, so we'll talk about the first on the product. We talk about DXN spirulina benefits. Actually, we have four types of spirulina in our DXN: spirulina cereal, spirulina capsule, tablets, and also powder. So these are the items that we have in DXN spirulina, especially spirulina. Okay, so what are the benefits of DXN spirulina? Okay, we have our own farm in Kedah. If I'm not mistaken, 63 pond, spirulina pond can come out with few tons of spirulina monthly. Okay, so why spirulina is so good? Spirulina is a red blue algae that you can rear or your own in a pond. Okay, what are the benefits? It's 4 times more potassium than bananas. Okay, banana is potassium, but spirulina have 4 times potassium than banana. That is a natural potassium. Okay, second thing, you see 2 times more protein than yogurt. Okay, 14 times more calcium than milk, 9 times more iron than spinach, 4 times more fiber than oats, 2 times more vitamin than carrots. You see, very powerful nutrition things. Okay, spirulina have more benefit. This is just a rare, you can see the rare one. Actually got a lot. So I just pick up a small one. Why I choose this one, this picture? You see here, most of it for children, we are giving so many things. Then we push them to eat fruit, push them to give milk, push them to eat more iron, spinach, and give them more fiber, give them more carrots, vitamin A. This is for children. But you see here, when it's very beneficial for children, it also very beneficial for the adult and also all kind of human being. Okay, why you need this one? Instead, you're giving your children 1 glass of milk, you give them 1 teaspoon of spirulina powder per day, you will give your children more immunity power, more 10 times, 14 times immunity power. Okay, that's why your children become more active, more brainy than other children. Okay, so you see, it's a very, our spirulina can be taken by babies. You see, there's a baby photo. See, there's no amount calculated. Spirulina DXN, we already tested with this big amount given to children. Even my son also has been, when he was 1 year, 2 years, he has been finished 300 tablets of spirulina also, I don't mind. He just eat it like kachang. Okay, that's how. Okay, why it's good? You see, this IMSAM project, DSA DXN already come out, the IMSAM project, Rural Area Development Project, by giving the spirulina, so it can enhance the immunity power, can enhance the children's malnutrition program. Okay, so spirulina for growing children is very, very powerful. You must give spirulina to the children. Then you can see how your child grow. Okay, and you can start spirulina while the baby in the womb. Okay, that's why spirulina playing a big role in our daily life cycles. Okay, daily life cycles. So why? What is good of this spirulina? Slow down the aging process. So when you every day taking 3 to 4 grams of spirulina, minimum you can taking 3 to 4 grams. That means 4 tablets. If you come out with tablets, roughly around 4 tablets, 1 gram. So 3 to 4 gram means around 16 tablets. You can take 8 tablets morning, 8 tablets night. So it comes enough 4 grams per day. About WHO requirements. Promotes brain health and performance, improve look and health of the skin, boost metabolism and aids fat burning, detoxify, balance the body, boosts and strengthen immune system. So spirulina playing a big role in human life cycle from womb to tomb. We say from womb to tomb. Means from all people, from the womb, babies, children, teenagers, growing children, then youth, youngsters, then old people, you can give him the spirulina. Okay. See, product application. Okay. Our spirulina actually is under the food category. Okay. We can have applied, is applied in a food field. Okay. Because it's a food. You must remember, spirulina is under the vegetable category and it's considered like food. Okay, so you can mix your spirulina in any form of your food. When you do a porridge, you can add into porridge. You want to make cake, you can put the spirulina powder into the cake. You want to make a drink, you can put the spirulina into the drinks. Okay, and also is a cosmetic field. You can use your spirulina powder to use as a face mask. So very powerful. Okay, very powerful. So you have so many type of spirulina that can be used. The benefit of the extent spirulina can be used as a food, as essential nutrition, and also for the skin mask, all these kind of things. Okay, so all these nutritional ingredients in 40 tablets. So when you take 40 tablets, around 8 grams, 8 grams of spirulina, plus minus, the calculation is plus minus. Okay, you can see protein, iron, beta-carotene, vitamin B2, B6, B12, folic acid, dietary fiber, K, calcium, zinc. See, so many types of nutrition that been supplied to your body. Means each tablets of spirulina contains of so many type of nutrition inside. Okay, that's why normally I will say spirulina contains, if you see vitamins, it contains vitamins, it contains minerals, it contains macronutrient, it contains micronutrient, it contains natural pigments, it contains natural carotenoids, and also amino acid. So all these things is vitamins and minerals that needed by the human body to make the body immunity power is more higher than usual men who never take it. Okay, especially children never take veggies. So spirulina playing a big role for children. Remember, always give children a spirulina. If you don't give milk 1 glass, also never mind. You give him a spirulina every day is more than enough, 10 times more than enough than the milk that you're going to give in a form of milk in a glass. Okay, instead now a lot of milks already mixed with so much of chemical. But when you come to spirulina, it's pure natural source, no added any chemicals, preservative, anything. No, our CXN spirulina is purely natural, and organic. Okay, synthetic supplement have only a few major ingredients, while spirulina 100% has a rich nutritional content. Okay, spirulina is full of nutrition. It has protein, fat, carbohydrate, dietary fiber, vitamin, minerals, pigment, nucleic acid, and SOD. Later I say what is SOD. Okay, so all these things are very, very important to growing kids and also maintaining teenagers and also getting elderly people. So when you're getting elderly, your digestion system getting weaker. So when your digestion system getting weaker, your system unable to convert the nutrition into the nutrition that the body needed. So in that moment, spirulina playing a big role to supply to your system because it has everything and somehow naturally. Okay, lot of synthetic supplement have what do you call, they have a calculation. For example, you want to give vitamin C, you cannot more than 4,000 IU, something like that. They go calculate. Okay, there's a calculation. You taking for example, like you want to take this calcium tablet, you must have certain amount of cable amount only. Okay, you cannot take too much. You cannot take 10 or 20 tablets per day. Cannot. So that's why, because it's a synthetic and contains of chemical endorsement inside. When the chemical bind inside, and it also standalone supplements. Most of the synthetic supplement is a standalone single molecule supplements. If you say calcium, it's a calcium tablet. If you take B6, B12 glucosamine, you only have B6, B12. You don't have vitamin B6, B12. You don't have other things included with the chemicals inside. So, but when you come to spirulina until now don't have any minimum maximum calculation. Don't have. You want to take 10 mg per day, 10 gram per day. You want to take morning 1 bottle spirulina, night 1 bottle powder of spirulina, doesn't matter. Okay, it won't harm you. It won't harm you. End of the day, it's a benefit for you, but it's not damage for you. Sometimes I'm taking almost 40 tablets, sometimes 20 tablets in the morning, 20 tablets in the night. So we can see the differences. Okay, so when you have this kind of nutrition, natural nutrition in your body, okay, it can refill back which are the nutrition's gap that that can lead your body towards a injury or towards the disease. So when you have a gaps of nutrition inside your body, spirulina playing a big role to fill the gap, to make sure there's a communication, there's no communication breakdown between the cells and between the system and between the human overall human system. So that's why spirulina playing a big role in connecting your blood system. You see, you take there's a test that's been done in a thing. You mix one small tablet, small what do you call a small glass of quite a lot of spirulina, thick spirulina. Then you put a wire, you put the battery, and another side you connect it back. You can see the light is light up. That means spirulina contain refilling gap. That means that the wire is not connecting, but connecting the spirulina in the middle, it can travel. It can using like a wire to travel the light. So spirulina is one of the blood mover. Okay, that means our blood got electricity. Let's say until certain angle, the blood is blocked. But when you take spirulina, it comes to the end, but it still can travel the nutrition towards the other part. So means that it can travel, like in electrical, it can travel. Without the wire cabling, the spirulina become a media. It can bring the electricity towards the media and go inside the, like, so that you can see the LED is light up. Same thing, it happened to you. When you take a lot of spirulina in your body and your body is alkaline, your blood is electricity will be very good intense. So this will lead on the blood circulation, it will improve the blood circulation system towards the non-activated area. So spirulina can bring the electricity value to the area that not filled properly or there's a gap area. This is spirulina playing a big role. Okay, DXN Spirulina actually very powerful. I've done so many tests on it, and I can see a lot of what you call good feedbacks. A lot of good feedbacks. Okay, so you see, in protein, what type of protein? Okay, amino acids are 18 kinds. Okay, so we have isoleucine, cysteine, triphosan, alanine, proline, leucine, phenylalanine, valine, aspartic acid, glycine, histidine, thionine, methionine, glutamic acid, arginine, thyroxine, lysine, serine. That's why in Spirulina playing a good result for the thyroid, what you call for the people have this hormone imbalancing. Spirulina playing a big role to balance the hormone because it has the it can act as a thyroxine. Okay, so by taking a thyroxine tablet, you take more Spirulina, you can see your thyroxine balance, your thyroid become balanced. If you see fat, we have linoleic acid, gamma linoleic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, others. So linoleic acid, oleic acid is a very powerful acid that body needed, especially it has in a mother's milk, you know. Okay, in mother's milk we have linoleic acid and oleic acid. It's very powerful for the babies to grow. That's why in the fat fat category in Spirulina have this kind of effect. Okay, then we see sugariness. We have glycogen, rhamnose, mannose, xylose, and others. Okay, we don't see a glucose here. This means by taking by taking Spirulina a lot, actually you can balance the glucose level and conversion to the glucose to the glycogen and keep inside the liver, and also balance your sugar balancing. Dietary fiber, we have peptine and cellulose. Nucleic acid, we have 400, 6,900 mg DNA. Okay, RNA. Okay, this is all the cell level. SOD is superoxide demutase. 11,000 unit in this is a superoxide dismutase. If you see vitamin, we have beta carotene, B6, B12 that normally people eating glucosamine. Okay, so by taking glucosamine synthetic, you take more Spirulina. It's 10 times to better than the glucosamine because it has natural B6 and B12. In glucosamine, we have synthetic B6 and B12. Okay, something they're taking from cyanocobalamin or methylcobalamin. From cyanocobalamin and methylcobalamin, they can extract the B6, B12. Cyanocobalamin, they will downgrade the cyanide. Methylcobalamin, they will extract from some vegetables. So either we got two type of B6, B12. Either, but we have to see that actually the source is from there. Either natural source, ingredient extraction source, or chemical extraction source. Okay. Then we have pentatonic acid, vitamin B6, B1, inositol, vitamin E, folic acid, vitamin B12, biotin, niacin, vitamin K, and other. Okay, and it also contains of vitamin A. The other means vitamin A for your eye. Okay, if we say minerals, we have calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, iodine, potassium, chlorine, iron, manganese, selenium, sodium, zinc, sulfur, copper. Most of these minerals is used for building the blood, to supply the nutrition towards the bone marrow to create more hemoglobin and RBC and also other components in the blood, WBC, all these things. That's why Spirulina playing a big role as a folic acid, as a iron tablets, as a blood enhanced tablets that can help naturally to build the blood. Okay, when you see pigments, we have chlorophyll, carotenoid, phycocyanin, and others. Phenophobic, we have total phenophobic 7.9 for 100 gram. Okay, and put in all these things, a lot of nutrition values that we can see. So this means Spirulina playing a big role in a human activity, okay, in a human or a cells level, human cell level. All this nutrition are playing in a cell level. So you need to neutralize not the body, the cell level. Once the cell level, you penetrate towards the cell level, you already penetrate to a DNA level, RNA level. Okay, so when you can penetrate a nutrition towards the RNA, DNA level, your cell become very active and good cell. And from the cell, tissue is being created. Tissue combinations become a system, organ. Then organ combination becomes system. System combination become a human body. So that's why it's very, very important to have spirulina in your daily life. Don't ever forgo the spirulina. Keep on taking every day non-stop, because every day you need the new cells. Every day you need the new blood to produce. So spirulina playing a big role, enhancement on your blood formation. Once your blood formation is good, okay, your transport system, blood circulatory system is good. Okay, your organ system playing good nutrition, got nutrition. Your all over system get nutrition from your circulatory system. So to have the circulatory system enhanced, okay, you must have a proper nutrition level into the cell level. Okay, full of good quality protein. You see, in protein we have a 65 to 70% of protein in spirulina. Okay, soybean, beef, egg, all very less. So by taking spirulina, we have a good protein system. It's very, very important to the system. Okay, so can be given to babies more than 3 months old, mixed in the milk. You can give more than 3 months old, or from the mostly, if people ask me, I say you can give to the born baby. But when you come to the born baby, a lot of people are skeptical to give. Okay, unless people who really know about the spirulina, they don't worry. So people are a bit skeptical to give to the baby. Then you just tell them, okay, after 3 months you can give to the baby. Mix in the milk or whatever. But for my understanding, I already given a lot of people who are not skeptical, all these things, they understand anything. I ask them from the day one, ask them to give the spirulina. Okay, clear? So that is very, very important on that. Okay, spirulina is a superfood by NASA. Okay, the nutrient in 1 gram of spirulina is the same as the 1 kilogram vegetable and fruit. You see how powerful it is. Astronauts use spirulina as a part of their low weight and a low waste, high nutrient diet during the space flight. So even NASA is approved spirulina. But I don't know why no modern medication system, they don't approve spirulina. So if they approve, a lot of people have to close shop. A lot of vitamins, mineral supplier need to close shop. That's why they don't bring it to the system, but they give it, they put it separately to give it to the mankind. Okay. Okay, now we come to the, okay, now we come to the, what do you call, some sort of immediate remedies. Okay, if you have spirulina questions, later in the question Q&A time, you can ask for it, then we can explain more. Okay, now immediate remedies part. Okay, in immediate remedies, we have gout, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, first thing you must understand, from where the acid is built up. Okay, is it from the food, or is it from the internal, external or internal? Okay, so you must understand from where it comes. Gout, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, all these things are created by the person itself. Okay, by the person itself. The remedies, spirulina 5 tablets 3 times daily you take, black cumin 1 capsule 3 times daily, Androgy 1 capsule 3 times daily, Morinzi, Codipine, gel powder. Scoop, mix in warm water, drink 3 times daily. And use the guano oil, massage the affected area every day. Then you can see things are changed. Okay, so first of it, why these things happen? Okay, how to prevent it? Okay, prevention is very easy. First things, number 1, okay, do eat on time. Okay, eat on time mean your breakfast 7 to 9, lunch is 12:30 to 1:30, tea time is 4 to 5. Okay, 6:30 to 8 o'clock, make sure you finish your dinner. After 8 p.m., don't eat anything. You can go for liquid only, no solid food. First thing. Second, sleep minimum 6 to 8 hours daily. By 11 o'clock, you must go to bed because biological clock start for sleeping is 11 o'clock onwards. So 11 to 1 is your gallbladder time. balancing the cell, renewing the new blood cells. 1 to 3 is your liver, detoxification of your system, blood circulatory system. 3 to 5 is your lung area. 5 to 7 is your large intestine time. So all this time, 6 to 8 hours must be fulfilled by yourself. Then you can see the acidic level will go down. Number 4, you must eat and munch properly while you are eating. Okay, make sure you use your acid hydrochloric properly. Amylase, your mouth amylase, your saliva properly, and munch with the food. After you munch properly and you eat, you will perfectly utilize your acid hydrochloride in the stomach. People have acidic problem. It starts from the stomach acid is not neutralized properly. Okay, remember always, the stomach acid is the killer. Your job is to neutralize the acid every day. You cannot tell the body, hey, don't come. Hey, acid, don't come today, I won't eat. You cannot tell that. Okay, acid is natural. Acid hydrochloride will keep on coming. The time frame that I give you, 7 to 9, 12:30 to 1:30, 4 to 5, 6:30 to 8. So these are the time, roughly your acid will start to penetrate in. This time you eat a small food to make sure it been neutralized. If you keep on neutralize the acid, okay, you won't have a uric acid problem, gout problem, arthritis problem, rheumatoid problem. You don't have. Okay, you can balance your body by balancing your food and time frame. Okay. Okay, when it comes to spirulina, okay, spirulina has been used as a facial mask for acne, dry or oily face. Doesn't matter. It's suited to everyone. Okay, so what you have to do? Spirulina powder and GL powder mix together and make a face mask. Wash your face using DXN aloe vera cleansing gel first. So you use aloe vera cleansing gel, wash your face. After that, mix the spirulina powder and gel powder, make as a face mask. You can use it 3 capsules of spirulina and mix 2 GL capsule powder. This is a calculation. Mix with warm water, apply to the face and leave it for 45 minutes. In this solution, you can mix yogurt, or you can mix some other powder, the facial powder that you have, you can mix it. But I recommend you, the best is only a yogurt. Okay, you put that, then you do the mask. Okay, repeat every 2 days, once night, 2 days, one night, once night before sleep lah. 2 days once lah. Okay, 2 days once, night before sleep. You apply it. Okay, before that you must cleanse it with aloe vera gel. Cleanse it, put the mask, wait for 45 minutes. Okay, then you wash it. Then you can go to bed. Keep on do that. You see a lot of people, you see, with the very bad acne problem. The last girl photo, you see, this is the before and after. So you can see so much of difference. If you keep on putting it, you can see in 1 month time, I tell you, everything will go back to normal. Okay, but you must be fully utilize the time frame. Don't one day you put, 2 weeks you don't put, then 2 days you put, then 1 month you retired. I cannot retire. You must follow the things. When you start to follow as my advice, you can see your face keep on changing. The brightness of the face, the color of the face, the circulatory system in the face is changed. It's more bright, and you can see active face. Okay. Okay, a lot of people keep on calling me about H. pylori issues. Okay, so it's like bacteria. Why these H. pyloris come? Because people who eat a lot of red meats, okay, a lot of red meats, a lot of fast food, a lot of junk food, a lot of carbonated fruit, a lot of sugar type of these donuts, all the sugar type of donuts, chocolates, all these things will lead to H. pylori problem. Okay, H. pylori problem. That's why I always tell every week, make sure you take myco-veg, mixed morinzyme. At least 1 week, 2 times minimum you take. So your colon become very clean. Okay, whatever the chocolate that's stuck into your stomach will be cleansed it off. Whatever the burger that not fully utilized and stuck in your stomach will be cleansed it off. So your job is every day to cleanse the clean, become a good clean colon. Then you don't have problems. So you must clean your stomach small intestine, large intestine. That means you must have a minimum 2 times of toilet. Now you must go toilet every day 2 times daily minimum. When you do that, your colon become very clean. People who have H. pylori issue, mostly they have colon issues, toileting issues. Okay. So if they have a toileting issue, the tools that stuck into inside the large intestine is too long and too acidic, and this can lead to bacteria, virus infections. Okay, so what is the best thing when you have H. pylori? You take Androgy 2 capsules 3 times daily, black cumin 2 capsules 3 times daily, take mycoveg, morinzyme, Psyllium powder, mix warm water, drink 3 times daily. Keep on drink for 3 months. Then after that, you check the H. pylori will completely will clear. Your colon all become a new colon ready. Okay, then you can see frozen shoulder and frozen hand. This problem also I can see a lot of people have this kind of problem. Okay, the problem with girls, ladies, they always walk never swing your hand. Make sure when you walk, swing your hand. This will lubricate the hand and your hand movement will be softened. It won't be tightened. So nowadays, a lot of people will carry handbag, will carry so many things in the hand, handphone, all this kind of thing. You will make yourself not moved. So when you swing your hand and walk, you won't get any frozen shoulder or any frozen hand. Okay, to overcome this issue, you can use G-Gen Plus 1 capsule, morning 2 capsule night, Androgy 2 capsule night only, RG 2 capsule 2 times daily, GL 2 capsule 2 times daily, and apply Gano oil massage daily. These are the things that you can do it every day. When you do it every day, you can see a very good result. And you can see cross body arm stretch, pendulum stretch, arm circles, towel stretch. This kind of exercise will give you very fast recovery process. Okay. And also stiff neck. Okay, when you have a stiff neck, apply ice pack before sleep for 10 minutes every day. Okay, then apply Gano oil massage and do exercise picture below and massage the particular area. Taken G-Gen Plus 2 capsule and Androgy 2 capsule night before sleep will be enhance the circulatory system in there. And Morinzy and Codipine mix warm water and drink 2 times daily. This will release the what do you call stiff neck problem. Okay. Okay, that's today solutions. Okay, we have for today's solution completed, and we go back to the speaker, to the members. Okay, any Q&A? Any Q&A today? Let me check any chat. Selena, any new questions for members? They can call.
No question posted, Doc.
Okay.
Open for Q&A.
People who have knee pain, where the gel in the knees has been reduced until the bones are touching. And also people who cannot take Androgy, what to give? Okay. Doesn't matter. Androgy also playing a 2 things role. One is your pain as a painkiller. Second one, one is painkiller. Second one as a sleeping. It enhances your sleep in the night. So when you can balance your sleep in the night, you won't feel the pain. Okay, you won't feel the pain. That's why Androgy is playing a big role in that. Okay, so knee problem, knee pain. When you have a knee pain, means that the gel activation in your knee is lack. I mean your body is in acidic mode. So when your body is in acidic mode, the best is you take mycoveg morinzyme. Okay, mycoveg, 1 scoop, morinzyme 10 ml, mix with the warm water, drink 3 times daily, and munch bee pollen, roselle, lion's mane, 2 tablets, 3, all these things, 2 tablets, lion's mane 2 tablets, roselle 2 tablets, bee pollen 2 tablets, munch 3 times daily. Okay, apply Gano oil at the knee area and have a good rest. Don't push yourself too much on your knee. Give a good rest, and you can see the knee pain will slowly improve. The gel in the knee will be naturally will come back because we have so many cases improved. Some patient cannot take it, so they go operation. But they must be relaxed. Be patient. Be patient when you take the nature treatment. Sure, it works, but it takes time. Some people maybe take 3 months. Some people take maybe 6 months. Okay, some people maybe take 1 year for recovery. It depends on the injury level. If the injury level very mild, very fast you can see the result. If injury level very high, you need to wait and do some lot of exercises, nutrition treatment, massage. This will help you to balance your overall system. Okay. Any other questions? Okay. What the remedy for gallbladder stone pain on right hand side and of stomach? Okay, gallbladder stone is created from the unusual eating. Okay, unusual eating means you don't eat on time. You always eat more than 8 p.m. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Okay, all these people who eat late night after 8 solid food, sure you will have a gallbladder stone. First thing. All the people who drink while eating, you will have a gallbladder stone. Okay. All the people who talk while eating, will have the gallbladder stone. These are the things because your food is not fully digested. End up if the food is when you talk, your mouth become dry, you will start to drink. Okay, when you drink while eating, it will enhance the what you call cholesterol level. The cholesterol in your food that stuck in your stomach need to be digested. You put water, you make it all saturated on top of your food. Then this will go inside your small duodenum, will stuck into will block the bile pipe. So when it block the bile pipe, so the bile cannot come out. So when it cannot come out, when it's stuck too long, it become a stone. Because bile is only one way. It's not two way. Okay, one way. So the liver produce the bile, fill it there, then the bile will be released while for digestion. But while you are eating all this water, drink and eat, it will start to stick on the duodenum layer. End up with the pipe that comes down will be blocked. Okay, when the pipe cannot be come out, then the bile is stuck into the sac for too long and become a stone. Okay, so the best things for that is actually you go for what you call you go for vinaigrette. Vinaigrette is very good. Either people cannot take the raw vinaigrette, you can take honey vinaigrette, you can take codipine, you can take RGGL, you can take monoscus, you can take Hong tea. This is all will help your gallbladder stone to slowly break down, slowly clean the pipe. The thing, microbiology also help because you also cleanse the sticking cholesterol in the pipe lining in the duodenal area. Okay. Okay, so the next one, next question. Okay, but some people say that they can't take bitter stuff, and also when they take Androgy, their blood pressure will go low. How to treat time? Okay, actually taking Androgy is cooling down your system. If you cannot 2 capsules, you just go for 1 capsule. It's not too low, it just relax your system. When your system getting low, very relaxed, you are not in a low pressure actually. You feel to sleep, just go to bed and sleep. Okay, so maybe you reduce it, or you just take maybe 1 capsule in a 1 day alternate lah. Don't take every day lah. 1 day alternate lah. Okay, then what do you call bitter? What to give them? Okay, Androgy is bitter for them, so what to give them? So alternative for Androgy. So far, Androgy has its own playing role. So you want to alternate, you just give RGGLs only lah. Okay, or you can give Hong tea capsule also can, or G-Gen Plus also can. It also help. Okay, but it won't work as an Androgy, but it has some functionality as Androgy. Okay, have twitching pain below the knee area and soreness in the calf area and muscle feels sore, but it's not cramp, but can be used. This is actually real, like what you call like gout. Okay, gout has this kind of cramps in the feel sore, and this. The best is you can take as I teach you for gout just now. The codipine, GL powder, all these things you can give, RGGL, Androgy, Spirulina, all these things can be given for this kind of issue. Okay. So any other questions? You can ask directly, can on the mic, and you can straight away ask. No need to worry. Okay. You don't want to show your face, never mind, just open the mic only. So you won't feel scared. No lions in the group.
Doc, just for okay, apa ni sometimes orang tak faham, Dok, minta maaf Dok, kadang-kadang tak faham sakit tulang, sakit kaki, actually one common problem is that hospital give them different term. Kadang-kadang they give them knee pad, osteoporosis lah, all those bombastic words until people are confused. But Doc explained the remedy are given for all these issues. Just that Doc sometimes have to repeat lah, apology lah.
Yeah, sure, no problem actually. You boleh tanya a few times. Sometimes you see the key memang ada dekat sana. Okay, so you just follow accordingly. So you adjust a bit pun tak apa, because you see the key of holistic medicine simple saja. Okay, kita buang toxin, balance balik the system, regenerate the cell back, then your body will come normal. So kita tak suppress. So katakan you terlalu sakit, you nak pergi hospital ambil ubat sakit tahan sakit, boleh, tak ada masalah. Boleh tak ubat tahan sakit makan dengan ubat kita, tak ada masalah. Macam you makan nasi, you makan sayur, you makan ayam, you makan daging. Okay, then lepas setengah jam you ambil ubat hospital. Okay, holistic medicine same thing like rice you eat. Makan nasi yang you makan. So tak ada masalah, tak ada pantang larang. Tak ada apa-apa yang ditakutkan. Dia tak affect you langsung. So kita, what we do, as I told you, simple saja, kita buang toksin dalam badan, balancekan balik the circulatory system, cell system, dan juga sistem-sistem lain yang berfungsi antara satu sama lain. So bila dia berfungsi antara satu sama lain, nutrisi, dan kita pumpin nutrisi yang you perlukan. Macam kereta lah, simple lah cakap cerita lah. Walaupun you tukar steering oil lah, brake oil lah, apa oil you tukar, you still kena isi minyak, baru kereta boleh run. Tapi you perlukan minyak steering, minyak brake, supaya you tak kemalangan dalam jalan raya. So, you perlukan main item and also supplement item to protect you. So main item macam you makan nasi hari-hari, itu macam isi minyak dekat kereta. Tapi everyday you cuci kereta, you jaga, you tukar itu signal light, kalau ada rosak you tukar, minyak brake you tukar, baru punya you service, minyak enjin you tukar, service. Kenapa you buat tu? Supaya you punya kereta boleh harungi any kind of jalan raya. Dia boleh pergi jalan tar, jalan ni, masa hujan, so supaya you selamat. Sama juga macam holistic medicine. Okay, holistic medicine ni adalah makanan. Okay, is makanan rutin yang mempunyai khasiat yang tinggi, yang boleh menyalurkan beberapa vitamin, mineral, amino acid, okay, natural pigment, micronutrient, macronutrient, natural carotenoid yang diperlukan oleh badan, macam brake oil, macam engine oil, macam ni, yang diperlukan oleh badan. Okey, kenapa badan perlukan ni? Untuk memastikan you punya sistem bergerak lancar. Sistem you apa? Sistem darah. Perjalanan darah you lancar. Sistem bila perjalanan darah you lancar, jantung, buah pinggang, semua boleh lancar dengan darah sebab buah pinggang cuci darah. jantung pam darah. Okay, dan bila buah pinggang dia lalu, dia buah pinggang, urinary tract. Okay, sistem pembuangan air kecil. Okay, kita tengok. So, dia boleh ambil kotoran dalam air, buang melalui air kencing. Then you have a large intestine system, sistem pemakanan. So, bila kita makan, kita memerlukan sistem pemakanan kita, pencernaan kita berjalan lancar. Bila sistem pencernaan berjalan lancar, okay, maksudnya nutrition yang you hantar adalah bagus. You bagi enzim, okay, you bagi provitamin, probiotik, prebiotik, you bagi fiber, okay, you bagi nutrition supaya sistem you berjalan lancar. Proses pencernaan akan berlaku lancar. Semua saki-saki baki yang tinggal dalam badan tu dibuang melalui usus besar, okay, we call it toilet. So bila sistem ini cantik, you punya peredaran darah, sistem pencernaan you cantik. Macam kereta ada exhaust. Cuba you tutup exhaust kereta, apa jadi? Meletup kereta. Asap akan masuk ke dalam kereta. So orang boleh mati. Ramai yang meninggal kerana asap kereta masuk dalam ni sebab karbon. Sama juga dalam badan kita. Junk mesti kena buang. Benda-benda saki-baki, kotoran yang ada dalam tu kita panggil toksit, mesti kena buang everyday. Kalau sangkut, akan menyebabkan usus besar you, ada cyst lah, rectum, colon cancer lah, ada tumor lah, macam-macam akan berlaku dalam sistem pencernaan kita. So macam inilah kita punya sistem bergerak. So RG, GL, Androgy, Codipine, Spirulina, Black Cumin, all these things yang ada dalam DXN ni. Apa kebaikan dia? Menjalankan sistem manusia dengan cantik. So that means every day you overhaul, you service your system. Okay, you service your system. So every day semua sistem berjalan dengan lancar. Setiap sistem memerlukan vitamin yang mineral yang diperlukan. Itu yang you supply menggunakan makanan. Tapi masalah sekarang kita makan makanan yang tak berzat, tak cukup zat. Contohnya makan nasi, ayam, ikan, semua dah letak chemical, semua diletak ni. So, nutrisi yang ada sebenarnya pada makanan yang you makan tu sudah berkurangan. Terlalu rendah. So, bila terlalu rendah, badan you tak dapat sos yang sebenarnya. So, untuk ganti sos yang sebenarnya, di sinilah holistic medicine play a role. Okay, menambah baikkan you punya sistem perjalanan badan. Okay, ini kita support. So di support dari segi apa? Spirulina, kita bagi banyak nutrisi. Okay, RG, kita remove, kita buang kotor-kotor. Kita bagi GL, tambahkan oksigen dalam darah, tambahkan nutrition dalam darah. RG, kita bersihkan sistem. Codifine, kita betulkan, kita bagi nutrition kepada neurosystem. Kita melancarkan perjalanan buah pinggang, paru-paru untuk mengambil pernafasan tinggi, untuk membuang kotor-kotor sisa-sisa daripada makanan-makanan yang boleh cair dalam air. Benda-benda yang cair dalam air, kini akan proses. Kotoran dibuang melalui air kencing. So macam inilah sistem akan berlaku. Okay? Setiap produk yang ada dekat DXN ada di punya kepentingan dia. Contohnya monoscus. Apa monoscus? Monoscus adalah bakteria. Okay, bila kita makan monoscus hari-hari kita amalkan, bakteria yang masuk dalam badan dan melalui kapsul itu akan bergerak melalui salur darah. So bila dia bergerak melalui salur darah, bila dia nampak satu ketulan kolesterol melekat dekat bahagian contohnya dekat small artery, okay, bakteria-bakteria ini akan memakan kotoran ini. Kolesterol yang melekat dekat arteri itu. Bila dia hari-hari dia makan sikit-sikit, lama-lama kotoran itu akan menjadi nipis dan hilang. So jantungnya tak sumbat lah. Okay, so macam ni. So Hong tea, apa kegunaan Hong tea? Hong tea ni dia ada vitamin A untuk mata. Dan juga Hong tea boleh buang kolesterol juga. Okay, so bila kita amalkan dengan Hong tea dengan monoscus, kita boleh nampak jantung kita ataupun salur darah kita lama kelamaan jadi bersih. So tak ada blok. Bila tak ada blok, perjalanan darah kita lagi lancar. So that's how it works. So setiap produk memiliki satu-satu keunikan. So bila kita combine dan makan, okay, so kita dapat satu punca pemakanan yang tinggi. I mean nutraceutical effect. Highest nutrition, produk yang mempunyai highest nutrition secara organik, okay, tak dibina oleh sesiapa dan juga mempunyai keistimewaan sebagai salah satu pharmaceutical, ubat. Tapi tak boleh challenge dengan pharmaceutical because pharmaceutical dia kuat sangat. That's why kita panggil dia under drugs category. Tapi natural ni dia ada kepentingan keistimewaan sebagai pharmaceutical. Tapi dia bukan pharmaceutical. Dia bukan. Dia ada keistimewaan pharmaceutical. Dia boleh memberi keutamaan kepada certain diseases, penyakit. Tapi dia tak boleh challenge the drug. Drug is more powerful. That's why drugs dia ada side effect dia. You tak boleh ambil banyak. You kena follow the prescription by doctor. Itu you follow doktor punya issue. You tak payah masuk dalam sini. Tapi bila you punya sistem bekerja dengan cantik, every time you punya badan, you service, you balancekan, you macam kereta you. Every 5,000 km you jaga servis, you bawa pergi foreman, you check. Kereta tu walaupun 20 tahun masih lagi macam baru. Contohnya, katakan you sejak you beli, you tak servis kereta tu. Mesti dalam sampai 5 tahun kereta tu akan knockout. Akan ada problem tengah jalan. Mungkin dia berhenti, tak boleh enjin tak boleh start, mungkin dia rosak, gearbox dia mungkin rosak, mungkin dia punya brake putus, sebab you tak maintain. Okay, that's why maintenance of human body is very important. Kerana makanan yang kita makan sekarang ni tak cukup zat yang diperlukan oleh badan. You kena faham tu. And kita sudah lari daripada cara pemakanan kita dan juga makanan-makanan sayur-sayuran, buah-buahan yang sehat tanpa kimia, tanpa bahan kimia. Tak ada sekarang. Okay, that's why very important kita nak cari benda-benda yang organik, yang mempunyai khasiat yang tinggi, yang punya nutrisi yang tinggi untuk menjalankan sistem-sistem kita dengan cantik. Baru you sehat. Itu yang dipanggil imun you kuat. You kena selsema. I tak boleh kata you tak kena, orang makan ni tak kena selsema. Boleh kena. Tapi satu hari dah baik. Orang yang selsema 1 minggu, 2 minggu dia nak pergi klinik 3-4 kali datang balik, imun dia low. Tapi orang yang makan spirulina DHGL, mungkin kena virus bila masuk dia attack you. Tapi bila you hantar RGGL, all these things, imun you strong, dalam beberapa jam ataupun satu hari you okay. Okay, that is the differences. Mungkin ramai kena COVID, tapi 2-3 hari dah baik. Bukan macam orang sampai boleh meninggal. That's how nature medicine, holistic medicine help our system. So nature medicine, holistic ni bukan ubat. Dia natural organic nutrition supplier, makanan dan buah-buahan yang berkhasiat tinggi yang boleh menjadikan sistem imun kita kuat dan juga boleh bergerak dengan lancar. Itu saja. Okay. So what they asking some more? Let me see.
I think Rajendra has a question, Doc.
Okay, ada kat sini. Sekejap.
No, she wanted to ask you.
Okay, there's a 2 questions here. Let me finish this. Then she can ask. Okay, rheumatoid arthritis, swelling finger and toes with restricted movement. Will the remedy doctor mentioned can do it? Yes. You just follow that remedy. Okay, then you can see. Area yang swelling tu, guna gano oil, massage 3 times daily. Okay, massage each. Kalau finger tu buka, massage the finger. Just twist the finger, bend the finger, put it, heat up the finger, use the oil. Then you can see the finger movement all can improve. Okay, the next question is, what are the side effects of taking calcium tablet for long term and what is the alternative? Okay, calcium tablet is actually from antacid drug. Okay, from antacid drug. So it's downgraded from the antacid drug, become calcium tablet. When you take long term, it can start in your gallbladder and also your bladder. Okay, batu karang, all these things boleh happen due to high taking calcium, and also mungkin dia akan damagekan you punya, dia akan create additional bone. Okay, you banyak boleh dengar. Suddenly ada additional bone keluar because you much too much of calcium synthetic. Okay, synthetic. So they can create another additional. Okay, so that's why not very good. The best you can take spirulina, high calcium, bee pollen, high calcium, GL, high calcium. The highest calcium is pearl powder. Okay, pearl powder, highest calcium and highest collagen. So it's combined with calcium and collagen. It's more effective and more safer. Okay, pearl powder is more safer and more effective. Tapi kalau you tak mau makan pearl powder, you boleh still ambil spirulina cukup. Bee pollen. Okay, GL cukup because it has a high calcium. Okay, now who want to ask the question? Rajendra?
Sorry.
Is it Rajendra?
Yes, Dr. Siva and everyone, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Okay, I want to find out if I want to replace codipine, what can I give? Because
You want to
codipine
replace
is liquid,
codipine?
I can't travel. Yes.
Okay.
Meaning that it's liquid, I can't take it with me. So what can I give the
Okay, you have
person?
cordyceps powder?
Cordyceps powder. Okay, doctor.
You have
Thank you,
cordyceps
sir.
capsule? You have cordyceps tablets?
Okay.
You can go
Okay,
for
thank
it.
you so much.
Okay, then you just
Okay,
buy.
thank you, doctor.
You just buy the pineapple, then make a pineapple juice there, then add in the powder and drink lah. Codipine lah.
Okay, thank you so much, doctor.
Okay, simplified version lah. Okay, what are the benefit of kiwi juice and psyllium? Okay. Okay, kiwi juice is a juice lah. Okay, people know what kiwi juice is very good. Okay, kiwi is actually vitamin C lah. It has highest vitamin C. So basically, the kiwi juice that we have is a bit sweet. Okay, because it has a glucose a bit inside, especially designed for children's lah. But you can drink, no problem, no harm. Okay, psyllium is different. Psyllium is actually for bacteria fungus problem. Okay, when you have a bacterial fungus problem in the stomach, you can you can take psyllium capsule. Psyllium capsule is very good for H. pylori, Crohn disease, bacterial infection, urinary tract infection. You use the psyllium capsules. Okay, you can use the psyllium capsule for all this kind of thing. UTI problem, urinary tract infection. You can take psyllium. Crohn disease, colon problem, bacteria, virus infection, Crohn. Then you have H. pylori infection, you still can take the psyllium. So it's good for the bacterial infections and virus infection in the stomach, small intestine and large intestine, particularly in this area. Okay? Okay, Marian? Okay, any other questions?
Yes, doctor. Just now you mentioned for the gallbladder stone, I already have the vinaigrette, but one thing is I do have, like burnt stomach if I take it at night. So you said you take the vinaigrette with honey. Can I just buy the honey and mix it?
You already have the, actually in DXN, we have honey vinaigrette and also vinaigrette. So honey vinaigrette is upgrade version from the vinaigrette because vinaigrette is too powerful. Okay, too powerful. So a lot of people not able to drink that because it's too much like what kind of wine type of things. They won't feel good things to drink. But it doesn't matter. You can buy the wine, you can mix it there, or you can mix it with morinzyme. Okay, you can mix it with morinzyme, so you won't feel the vinaigrette taste, but indirectly it will help you lah. Okay, clear. Okay, Dok, apa yang bagus untuk usus sudah luka? Mak saya makan banyak, tak pandai gemuk-gemuk atau berisi badan dia. Okay, sometimes you getting what do you call fat, nak jadi gemuk atau jadi kurus tak penting. Yang penting you sehat, itu saja. Selalu sarankan, jangan yang kurus jadi gemuk, yang gemuk nak jadi kurus. Okay, ini semua terbalik. Sometimes genetically, your body akan jadi basic. Okay, bila your body is a basic natural follow your ancestors. Sometimes you makan hari-hari 10 kali pun tak gemuk-gemuk. Ada I punya patient yang tak pernah gemuk-gemuk, memang dia skinny. Because dia memang generation, dia punya genetic skinny type. Okay? Some people macam sumo people, dia makan kuat-kuat pun sometimes gemuk, sometimes tak gemuk-gemuk pun. Sometimes yang gemuk nak jadi kurus pun bukan senang. So yang penting, don't fight your body. Okay? Balance your body. Balance your body. Bila you balance your body, you tak jatuh sakit. Yang important, you tak jatuh sakit, you healthy, your immunity is strong enough. You gemuk ke, kurus ke, actually tak penting sangat. Yang penting you kena sihat. Remember that, you kena sihat. Siapa kata orang yang gemuk tak boleh lari? Ada yang ramai gemuk boleh lari 10 km, 20 km. Because walaupun dia gemuk, dia boleh move. Okay? Some people dia gemuk, dia kata, I tak boleh lari sebab dia tak exercise. Some people kata dia kurus sangat, dia nak put on weight. Tak boleh makan macam-macam, tak naik juga weight. It's genetically weight. So it's all depend on your body system. So yang important, balance your body system. Okay? So untuk luka, usus yang luka, yang paling bagus you boleh bagi dia GL, Morinzyme and Lion's Mane. Lion's Mane memang bagus untuk betulkan luka-luka perut. Okay? Untuk sembuhkan luka perut kurang-kurangnya you perlukan 3 hingga 6 bulan baru you boleh nampak result. You makan 1 minggu luka perut tak hilang punya. Sebab luka perut bukan senang nak heal. Lambat. It can take time. Okay? So yang gemuk out of shape tak cantik. So shaping it lah. Shaping it lah. Okay? So yang gemuk sometimes you boleh shape it. Okay, you boleh shape it dari segi pakaian, you adjust you punya pakaian. Now lot of models you see dia gemuk, lagi dia change dia pakaian, dia balance the thing. But you must do activity. You gemuk tak apa, tapi make sure your stamina is there. Remember that. Ramai yang gemuk tapi stamina dia kuat. That means dia gemuk but dia aktif. So jangan gemuk lazy. Gemuk aktif is very important. Okay, make sure you gemuk aktif. Bila you gemuk aktif, you tak akan put on weight lagi. So body you akan try to become suppressed. Bila you gemuk aktif, your body akan start to suppress. Kalau you gemuk tak aktif, you punya body akan akan refill. You akan jadi more bigger. So you kena gemuk. Kalau you gemuk, you make sure you active. Then you don't need worried about you going big, you gemuk lagi, you takkan grow lagi. Okay? Dog has a growth on the face and it growing aggressively. Is there anything to give to help? Okay, growth on the face, you have to see what type of growth lah. Sebab growth ada banyak type. So mungkin tumor, kalau tumor you kena, kalau growth in the face, kalau dia terlalu aktif, you kena go and do the surgery. Then after that use the RG powder, GL powder all lah. Kalau growth tu kecil mungkin you boleh give RG, GL to control the thing first. Kalau tak boleh you kena remove the growth first lah, depending on the situation lah. Okay. Okay, good guys. Now 9:15 ready. Any other questions?
Yes, Doc. Just additional info for Rajendra. When I travel to Dubai, Jordan, and Israel, I put the Codipine in small bottle. No issue. Even if juice is cargo, then you have to declare when you reach the country. So they will let you go. Like the other time, I got Dr. Siva to write me a letter. That was before COVID, 2019. So no issue. They don't bother to see the letter. Thank you.
Okay, good. That's why sometimes the letter from the like alternate medicine healer, if they ask much, you say this is I bring it for my own treatment or whatever. So they don't cut out. Unless you don't bring one container, go there lah, then something wrong lah. You bring one bottle, nothing to worry. The problem is the bottle that if sometimes you carry bottles because you put cargo, all these things. Sometimes if your bag is not handled properly, it might break. Okay, even though you wrap it nicely. So that's why sometimes you take a risk on the bottles. But we have so many other type powder base, capsule base, you can use that type of capsule or powder. So whenever I go India, sometimes traveling, I change everything to powder. So I can take a glass of water. So I just bring the roselle powder. So the roselle powder, I just put the roselle powder, I make a juice, roselle juice, because we cannot bring morinzyme, we cannot bring morinzy, all the juices cannot bring. So I got the roselle powder, I just say, take a glass, put a little bit of roselle powder, then mix all the powder inside that, shake it and drink. So that's the easiest way, So I don't need to go and buy juices, all these things, no need. In my room, in my hotel room, I can prepare the fruit punch and I can drink it. So that's the easiest way and the fastest way that you can save your time, because it will go for 1 week, 2 weeks. It's not like monthly you staying there. Okay, good. So, okay, what else? Okay, so I think I don't have any questions anymore. So we open to the last question before we left today's events. Any other questions? Okay, good. So if you don't have any questions, so yes.
Doctor, okay, I have a few patients.
Your sound is very slow.
Doctor, can you hear me now?
Make it louder some more.
Hello, doctor.
Yeah, now better.
Okay, doctor, I have a few patients who said that they bought a pants, Allura pants.
What's that?
That they bought a pants, doctor, that help for the blood circulation, doctor.
What pants? Your line's
The
breaking.
pants name is Allura pants. Remember, doctor, I'll call you and talk to you, doctor.
Okay. Your line's breaking.
Sorry.
Okay, maybe you can talk to me later, privately. Call me. Okay. Okay, Selena?
Doc, next meeting, 27 October.
Okay, good. Okay, 27 October, huh?
Yeah, the next meeting.
Okay, good. So we will meet up on 27 October. So thank you in joining today's event. Thank you very much, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you for your time.
You need to stop